Welcome. So far so good. We'll be able to come up with this. We're getting closer to our template that we're supposed to work on. So in this video I'm going to go straight right up and I'm going to explain how we do stuff like this. Yes, this. So so I already have it designed here, but I'm going to explain it step by step and we are going to go through it together. So the tag that is responsible for designing stuff like this is what we call the form tag. So the form tag, you can see it here, form, and you see the other one here. So it's the form tag that is responsible for designing a form. So usually you see this when you want to log into your website, or you want to log out from your website, or probably if you have if you are logging into a website that requires you to have your personal details to log in. So these are the situations whereby things like this will be very important. So and I'm going to teach us another thing. I'm going to teach us commenting. So just follow me. I'll have a less than sign, exclamation sign, 2 dashes here, and I'm going to come here and I'm going to have the 2 dash again. I'm going to close this. Now once you do this, save this, I'll check it out in my browser. You see what will happen before we refresh. And let me refresh this. Okay, what happens? Okay, no, that's not the page I'm supposed to go to. If I come here, yes, you notice that everything has wiped out. We are working on contact2.html. You notice that everything has wiped out. Why did everything wipe out? Because I commented it. So a comment is used to like hide things that you are working on in your text editor, but you don't want to appear on your browser. That's what a comment is meant for. That's what you use a comment for. Alright, so but if you come here and you view your page source, you see every other thing. You see that everything will show there. Yeah, you see we commented all of this. It's showing like, okay, it's actually from our text editor, but it's not showing in the browser. Why? Because you commented it. So the importance of this is if you are working on something, maybe you stop today and you want to continue tomorrow, or you are working with a team of people and you want to point out to another person that is designing another section, okay, this is what I did here, this is what I did here, and you can use a comment to accomplish that. So now that we've seen that, let me close this. Yeah. So now that we've seen it, let me still be sure, yeah, it's still closed. So now that we've seen all of that, let's go back to our editor and let's have everything one by one. So what we are trying to design is this. Let's have that in view. Yeah, come back here. What we are trying to design is this. Yes, so let's go back here. So we'll start everything one by one. The first thing we'll have, let me have the HR here so that to separate that line from it. So the first thing we have as usual is your form tag. Form. Yeah, you have your form. So the first thing I have here is first name. So I'm going to have this here. Then on the next line I'm going to have this tag we call input, and the type will be text. Oh no. And the name here, I'll give this one the name of first name. I'm going to save this. Then if I come to my browser and now this is what we're working on, and I refresh it, yeah, you see that comes out. So I want to send that to another line. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a BR. I'm going to save this. So the next thing we have here is second name. So I'll just copy all of this here. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to paste it. If I save this and I come back here and I refresh it, yes, we have this. So okay, let me send that to another line. So we are going to have another BR here. Yes, so we're already getting close to this. Very close to this. So the next thing we have here is this male and female prompts. So let's do that. So we'll be using another input tag again. Okay, let's use a BR to separate this line from the next one. So we'll be using another input tag, but this time the input tag we're going to use is radio, and the name is going to be what? Gender. And we are going to have another input tag, and this type 2 will be radio, and the name here too will be gender. Alright, let's refresh this. Here we can see those dots. I think what we can do now is that we can uncomment all of this so that we'll know what we are designing at. So I'll save this. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to refresh it. Yeah, so we're trying to have this male and female dialogue here. So to do that, all I'll just do, I'll come here, I'll type male. Okay, that's male. And here I'll get what? Female. I'm going to save this. I'm going to come to my browser. I'm going to refresh this. Yeah. So the reason why this button has the same name, but we have something here again. We call this one male, and we call here value. We call this female. And this one has a value of male, and this one has a value of female, but they have the same name. So if you click this, you can only select one. Why? Because they have the same name. But if I change the name and I save this and I come back here and I refresh my page and I click on this, you can't be male and female at a time. You can either be male or you are female. So that's why the names, the value is different, but the name should be the same. So the next thing I'm going to do here now is this part here. So we have another input tag, but before we do that, let's break the line. So the input tag I'm going to have here is what? Checkbox. Yes, I won't leave any name here for now, so I'll just say I agree to the terms and conditions. What should be conditions? So I'll save this. I'm going to come on. I'm going to refresh it. So we are getting closer to this. So this one just does this. So the last thing is this button that submits. So what we are going to do is I'm going to come here. I'm going to break the line, and I'm going to have another input, but the type now will be submit. The type will be submit. So and the name will be submit. Submit. I'm going to save this and I'm going to come here and I'm going to refresh. Yeah, we already have this. So let's just paste it like we have above. So I'm going to add another BR here. And I'm going to have another BR here. And I'm going to refresh it. Yes, so we are getting closer. The only thing that remains is this thing that is like an enclosure. So to achieve that, what we did here was that we used field set and legend. So you enclose everything in a field set, but it should not be here. It should come in right after. Yeah, so I'm going to have another field set. So if you save this now, it comes to your browser and you refresh. That's how you get that line. Well, we want to add this personal information. So to do that, we're going to have something called not that legend. So the legend, we are going to have your account to make it bold. So it's going to be personal information. I'm going to save this and I'm going to come in. I'm going to refresh it. Yes, so that's what's responsible for having that line, and apart from the line, also having that attribute there. So those are the things that are responsible for those things. They are just tag, and if you notice, they are off in the form element, but apart from being the form element, they are all input tags. So the different input tags have different types. So depending on what you want to do, determine the tag you want to use. So you might say that, okay, I don't know so many tags. How will I know tags? Yes, you can come to W3 School input tags and come to input types. You understand? So when you come to types, there are different type of types here. There's text, there's password, there's submit, there's reset, there's video, there's checkbox, there's button. So there's date in case you want to input it, there's email, and so many other type of input tags like that. So it's not just restricted to those ones we did. So what you can do is that you can go through all this type of tags and just try them out on your own, and just look for a way around it so that you can improve yourself. So aside from that, I think every other thing is close to what we want to do. So let me refresh it in my browser to be sure. Where is it? Yeah, there's it. So if I refresh it, you can see there's it. That's about that, close to this. So you can have a first. Yeah, no, I forgot something. This stuff here. All right. So to do that, there is another attribute you add here. Call the attribute placeholder. So in the placeholder, you just enter your first name. So if I refresh this, yes. So you can add it for your second name, you can add it for enter password. You just put a placeholder there and it will give you this text. So immediately you type, and you start typing, everything will disappear. But once you remove it, it will start again. So that's how to get that part done. So that's that about this section of the video. So in subsequent videos we'll be doing other things, but I don't want this to shoot too far. So that's just a brief intro to forms. There are so many other things you can do with forms, so let's just explore and do more. So till our next video, let's enjoy web development. Thank you.